In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Eventbrite. If you're brand new to the platform, don't worry. Getting set up is quick, free, and straightforward. By the end, you'll have an account you can use to find great events, save tickets, and even create your own if you choose. First, open your browser and head to the official website at eventbrite.com. On the homepage, look toward the top right and click Sign Up. This is where you'll choose how you want to create your account. You can register using an email address, or you can connect an existing Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Pick the option that feels most convenient and secure for you. If you choose a social login, just follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission and you'll be set in moments. If you prefer to sign up with email, you'll be asked for a few basics: your name, your email address, and a password. Create a strong password you'll remember, then select Sign Up or Create Account to continue. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation message from Eventbrite. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folder. Verifying your email helps secure your account and ensures your tickets and notifications get delivered properly. Once your account is confirmed, you're ready to explore. Use the search bar to look for events by topic, artist, or city and apply filters like date, price, and category to narrow things down. When you find an event you like, open the event page to see details such as location, schedule, and what's included. To register, select the ticket type and continue. For free events, you'll typically just confirm your details, and your ticket will be issued right away. For paid events, you'll complete a quick checkout. After registration, your tickets are saved in your account, so you can access them on desktop or the mobile app. You can view the QR code or barcode when you arrive, and you'll usually receive a confirmation email with the same details for easy reference. If you're planning something of your own, you can also create events from your account dashboard. It's a helpful way to organize registrations and share your event page with attendees. That's it. Your Eventbrite account is ready. Enjoy discovering new experiences, keep your tickets handy in one place, and register with confidence whenever something catches your eye.